Hey there, business nerds. We're going to be looking at really cool story here. We're going to be creating a YouTube channel for our business, and we're going to scale it. We're going to grow it together, and you'll be able to see the progression of this channel development. And I'll share with you tips and tricks and strategies that I'll be using to grow the channel. I already have two channels. One of them is actually monetized already and bringing in some income. The second channel is not, and I really have not focused. It's really about how to build properly structured and functioning websites. So it's really development heavy. I don't care about monetizing that channel. It brings me leads for my web development business. But this channel is all about business, how to run a business, what problems you might see when you are running business, how to be smart about your taxes, to make sure that you can strategize your marketing. Not every single month of the year is good for marketing. Check out this video that I've put together. Oh, somebody's calling me. Alright, so where was I? Check out this video. It talks about how to market your business and when is the season, like what months are better to market your business versus which months are not. But in terms of our topic here about growing your YouTube channel is really great. And I'll show you something really, really nice. It's the channel for my web development business. People are saying, how am I going to score well in Google? I want to get my business out there in Google. All of those questions. So I want to show you something really, really cool. Check out this video that I've put together not too long ago, in July. Let's go at the statistics of this video. You can see that it's scaling up, it's growing. There's people watching it. Just 1 hour ago there was like 5 people watching it. Right now there's 1 person watching it. So where are the people coming from? Let's go to reach, and you can see that it's all Google search. Holy moly, how did that happen? All Google search. I put it up on YouTube, but people are coming from Google. Look, YouTube, there's barely anybody coming from here, from YouTube. It's all Google search. People are finding this video by searching Google. This video is ranking. I know, I don't know where it's ranking, how it's ranking. I don't care. The most important thing is that we get traffic to our video, and that's excellent. There's 2,200 times it has been recommended, basically. I got number of visits. So why is that important? It's really important because you get free traffic. And how long did it take me to put together this 2-minute video? It took me 2 minutes to put this video. I got 400 views out of it. Imagine running Google ads, paying like $5 a click to get 400 clicks. How much money would you spend? Let's count it. 400 views times $5 a click. So you're spending like $2,000. You know, some places for some keywords you can spend up to like $60 a click. Imagine that. That's crazy. Like $60 times 400. That's like $24,000 I would spend, and you're not even guaranteed the conversion. And this is free. And it took me 2 minutes to put this together. YouTube is excellent. It's excellent to grow business. That's why I'm so about YouTube. You don't have to be super professional about growing your YouTube channel. You don't have to be excellent in English and all of the things that everybody's talking about. You need to know algorithm and how YouTube works. And we'll go over the algorithm in this channel. So stick around, subscribe to see the progression of this channel. I want to give you a little bit of really cool, valuable information here. When we're putting together videos, it's really important that you take your channel and you verify it with YouTube so that YouTube sees it as a legitimate channel. Once it is verified, you can actually run what's called A/B testing on thumbnail images. Thumbnail images are critically important because people are looking at thumbnail images and they are deciding to click on your video or not. Is it interesting? Is it not interesting? Etc. So only when you verify your YouTube channel, you will get access to add in multiple thumbnail images. Really important that you do this because you can select the one that actually is going to convert the most. And then, of course, description is important and the title is important, and we use a specific plugin to optimize our YouTube videos, and we'll talk about that in the future videos. Comment down in the comment section if you would like to see more content about how to strategically create YouTube videos so that they rank well on YouTube and to get that really awesome organic flow of leads from Google. Alright, that's it for this video. All I want to share with you is something really super exciting is happening here. Even though this channel doesn't really have much subscribers, there's nothing here, and that's the beauty of it. There's nothing here, and we're going to watch it grow. We're going to create, in fact, you know what, let's do something here. Let's go to playlists. Let's create a new playlist. Yep, let's do that. Close. I'm going to close this one. Playlists, where are you? I never created playlist out of here. There is a playlist creation tool. When I uploaded the video, you know what, I can access it through the content tab. Let's go here, and then we can go over here to the playlist section. Click down, new playlist, yeah. Let's create a new playlist. We're going to call it scaling your YouTube channel. Right, I know we're scaling my YouTube channel, but who cares? You'll see the whole process here. Scaling your YouTube channel, right? Let's make this your big. Alright, description is important. We're going to ask ChatGPT to put together a description for this channel, for this playlist. And you know what, we need to zoom out, and I'll click create. Okay, so I'm not going to add this video to that because it's not related, but this specific video will go into that playlist. And to make things easier for you, I'm going to call this video number 0 because we're starting from 0. The next video with an update on our YouTube progression will be video number 1, and so on and so forth. So we're going to keep track of what's happening with our YouTube channel. What am I selling? You might be asking. I'm selling web development services because I've been in the business industry for so many years. Selling websites is what I do. Actually, not selling websites, but building websites, programming websites. We're working with things like PHP Storm to program websites. There's a lot of code involved when we're building websites, but we build really nice, high quality, SEO optimized websites. So that's what my world revolves around, and it's going through scripts, working with PHP codes, really knowing really well the HTML structures, PHP structures, how the WordPress operates and how it works, so that we're building good, robust websites that can last for a very long time. So if you're interested in web development, if you need a website for your business, or if you need somebody to maintain your website and keep it up to date, feel free to reach out to us. Just go to webbaker.com. Here's my phone number, my email. Feel free to reach out. We can definitely help you out with that. But stay tuned. We're going to continue working on the YouTube channel development. And yeah, we'll see how much we can scale this. My goal is to get this channel to be monetized so I can make money from it. That means that we'll need to create a bunch of content that has been strategically positioned for it to grow and about the strategy of the YouTube and how to grow it. I'm going to create a separate video about that. So stay tuned. Save it to your favorites list, to your favorites tab. I don't know, however you want it. Definitely don't want to miss another video here, because we're going to go through the whole process. You can actually follow along and create your own YouTube channel and go through the whole process, and let's scale together.